Great teams are not built by chance, they are built by values. When trust strengthens relationships, empowerment unlocks potential, accountability drives results, and mutual respect nurtures unity, ordinary groups transform into extraordinary teams. In this episode of S&P Knowledge Series, let's discuss on the topic the 4 pillars of a winning team: trust, empowerment, accountability, and mutual respect, authored by S.N. Panigrahi. These 4 pillars create the true power of team, where people trust each other, support one another, grow together, perform together, and achieve far more than they ever could alone. The 4 pillars of a winning team: trust, empowerment, accountability, and mutual respect. A high-performing team isn't just a collection of talented individuals, it's a cohesive unit built on a foundation of shared values. Here is how these 4 pillars sustain a winning culture: trust. Trust is the glue that holds great teams together. Trust is the foundation on which every strong team is built. When team members trust one another, communication becomes open, decisions become faster, collaboration becomes natural, and collective goals take priority over individual interests. Trust builds confidence that everyone is working toward the same shared goal. 2. Empowerment. Empowered people don't wait for opportunities, they create them. Empowerment gives individuals the confidence and authority to take initiative and make meaningful contributions. When individuals are trusted with responsibility and authority, they bring creativity, initiative, and ownership to their work. Empowerment transforms employees from task performers into proactive contributors. Empowerment shifts the focus from doing what you are told to owning the outcome. 3. Accountability. Great teams own results, not just responsibilities. Accountability ensures that every member takes ownership of commitments and outcomes. In a winning team, everyone is responsible for the final result, not just their own slice of the pie. It builds discipline, reliability, transparency, and a strong sense of ownership within the team. A culture of accountability transforms promises into performance and intentions into measurable results. 4. Mutual respect. Respect is the foundation on which strong relationships are built. Mutual respect binds a team together by valuing every voice, perspective, and contribution. Respect ensures that diverse perspectives are heard and valued, even during intense conflict. When team members value each other's ideas, experience, and contributions, diversity becomes strength rather than difference. Mutual respect fosters harmony, trust, collaboration, and understanding, creating a positive environment where people feel valued, motivated, and the teams achieve excellence. Conclusion. When the foundation is strong, success becomes inevitable. A team that is built on trust, strengthened by empowerment, guided by accountability, and sustained through mutual respect creates an environment where individuals perform at their best and collective goals are achieved with excellence. When these pillars are in place, synergy occurs. The collective output becomes significantly greater than the sum of individual efforts. Such teams do not merely complete tasks, they inspire performance, build lasting relationships, and create success that endures. Team means together everyone achieves more. Coming together is the beginning of a shared vision and common purpose. Keeping together is the progress that builds momentum, trust, and commitment. Working together is the success that transforms collective effort into lasting results. True team cohesion turns initiatives into achievements and shared goals into sustainable success. Thank you For more details contact SN Panigrahi at the below contact details.